How to use Hailuo AI. Hey guys, today I'll show you how to use Hailuo AI. So let's dive in. Alright, open up your favorite browser and just type in Hailuo AI. Click on the official website, and once you're in, the first thing you'll want to do is sign up or log in. The process is super simple. Just click on sign in and use your Gmail account. I'm going to do that real quick. Select your Gmail and boom, you're in. No hassle at all. Now you're inside, and right away you'll notice how vibrant the site is. Tons of AI generated videos from other creators are already here, which is pretty cool to explore. Let's go ahead and make something of our own. You've got a couple of options to start creating. You can either use the quick create button at the top right, or just click create from the left side menu. I'm going to use the create button. Here you can upload an image. Either click the plus sign or simply drag and drop the image you want to use. I'm going with the drag and drop method just because it's quicker for me. Let me find an image I like. Okay, I'll use this one. Just drag it right here and the upload begins instantly. Once the image is uploaded, it's time to get creative. I'm going to type a simple prompt like make this image dance. That's all. Now to generate it, I just click the credit button. It shows I have 30 credits left. One click and it starts processing the prompt. It says optimizing, and you can see the progress bar. It might take a moment, so be patient while it does its thing. Just give it a few seconds. Now let's see what we've got. There's no play button, you just hover over the video to preview it. And yes, it really made the character dance. Pretty impressive. One thing to note, the video does come with a watermark if you're on the free plan, but if you upgrade to a premium plan, you can remove that easily. Once you're done, you can download your video with just a click on the download button, and there it is, saved and ready to share. Now let's look at the pricing plans. Click the three lines in the top left corner, then click on the subscribe button. This will take you to the pricing page. So basically, there are four yearly plans. The current one I'm using is the free plan. Then you've got the standard plan for $107 per year. Next is the Pro plan for $377, which includes almost every feature. And finally, there's the unlimited plan, which is the most expensive at only $139 a year. It gives you full access to everything with no limits. That's it, and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.